To book flight tickets online on Booking.com, follow these steps. First, go to the Booking.com website and click on the Flights tab. From there, select your travel dates, departure and arrival cities, and the number of passengers. You can also choose your preferred class of travel, such as economy, premium economy, business, or first class. Next, click the search button to view available flights. Booking.com will display a list of flights that match your search criteria, including the airline, flight duration, and price. You can filter the results by price, duration, and departure time to find the best option for your needs. Once you have selected a flight, click on it to view more details. This will include the flight schedule, baggage allowance, and any additional fees. Make sure to review this information carefully before proceeding with your booking. To book your flight, click the Book Now button and enter your passenger details, including your name, email address, and contact information. You will also need to provide payment details, such as your credit card number and expiration date. After completing your booking, you will receive a confirmation email with your flight details and a booking reference number. Make sure to print or save this email, as you will need it to check in for your flight. It is also a good idea to check the airline's website for any specific requirements, such as visa requirements or travel restrictions. Additionally, consider purchasing travel insurance to protect yourself against unexpected trip cancellations or interruptions. By following these steps, you can easily book flight tickets online on Booking.com. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of your booking, and contact the airline or Booking.com customer support if you have any questions or concerns.